Hello guys and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. This lesson is about the cat command. The cat command is used to display the contents of a file and some other uses that you will see during the lecture. So the cat command is typed like that, C-A-T, and then you type the file's name. For example, here I'll type /etc/password. And this is the name of the file that I would like to view by the command cat. It's called password. And it is the password file. This file contains all of the names of the users that I have here in the Linux. And I'll press enter. As you see, it displayed for me the contents of the file here in the terminal. If I go up from here, as you can see here, the command has been executed, cat/etc/password, and then it displayed for me the results in the terminal, as you can see over here. Okay, now let's have another example. I'll clear the page first, and I'll type cat/etc/group, and here the file group. This file contains all of the groups in the Linux, and I'll press enter. And as you see, it displayed for me the contents of the file here in the terminal. If I go up a little bit, you can see that here is the command has been executed, cat/etc/group, and here is the result. Okay, so this is the way to view a file, is to type the command cat and then the path of the file or the name of the file. Okay, now you can also use the command cat to create a file. Let's type ls to display the contents that I have here. Okay, now I would like to make file with the name torque.txt. For example, I would type cat and then the bigger than sign and then torque.txt. Enter. As you see here, it gave me space to type the name or type whatever the contents that I would like to be inside the file of torque.txt. I can type here anything, but I would like to leave the file empty, so I'll press on Control and then C. Right, now I will type ls to be sure that the file is here. And as you can see, the file is successfully created over here, torque.txt. Okay, now I'll clear the page and ls one more time. Alright, now I would like to insert or add a content in the torque.txt file. I will type the same command one more time, cat, and then the bigger than sign, and then torque.txt, and enter. And in here I will type anything, for example, hello, my name is Torque, and I like Linux. And after you have finished, you will take one enter. You will go to the next line where it's empty, and then you press on Control C. Okay, now I would like to view the contents of the file torque.txt, so I will type cat and then torque.txt and enter. As you can see over here, it's telling me the contents that I have wrote over here. Hello, my name is Torque and I like Linux. Okay, now I can also use the command cat to copy the contents of a file to a new file. For example, I would like to copy the contents of the file password in another file, so I will type cat and then /etc/password, and then the bigger than sign, and then I'll type password. Sorry, it's password, not password, .txt. And by this command, I'm telling it to copy the contents of the file password and place it in password.txt and enter. Okay, now I'll type ls. And as you can see over here, that the new file password is created, password.txt. I'll type cat and then password.txt and enter. And as you can see, it displayed the contents of the file for me. And by this lesson we have seen the cat command. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.